bouncer alongside Jan Jan, you know. I know you want to close my eyes, girl, I see you in my dreams. Then it's a
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yes, we are back again. Trying to stay somewhat consistent, but we'll see. Anyways, today we're gonna be working on that junk TL today. Hopefully get it moving, driving up the street, nothing crazy, and back down. I started it from the guy's house that I got it from. We got it in the tow truck. It had no gas in it. The power steering isn't working. Axle's broken. It's some stuff that I have to do before we could take it up the street. I had to put air in it and all that stuff. But today, hopefully, we'll address some of that stuff. Nothing crazy, just enough so we can get it moving up the street, down the street. If I can get that, I call that a success. So let's jump into the video. Let's go outside to the car. Continue. Peace. Everything is just shot. The car does run and start. I'll give it that. Give y'all a little startup real quick. Actually, you know what? Let me put gas in it first. Then I'll give y'all the startup because this thing is completely empty. Completely. Got that racing jug. This is how you know when you have race cars, man. People that know. So finished adding that 5 gallons of gas. I even added a bottle of gas treatment since it's been low for years. And I've been starting the car with the gas light low. And God knows he probably drove it around that way. So take this battery repair off. Give it a start. Let y'all hear how loud this steering wheel pump is, not the exhaust. Exhaust is very subtle. Let me set you up here so you can get a cool start on this. Hope you guys enjoyed that cold start. Gotta love it. Very subtle. Bring you guys inside. When I purchased the car back, the car was not running at all. I put gas in it, but it doesn't seem like the gas light's moving yet. Maybe it's gonna take some time, so none of this was working. This wasn't working. This is a common thing that goes bad with Acura, so I had to pull this out, do a little trick by sticking a piece of paper in the back. If you guys have this issue, let me know. I got you in that. I had to get the serial number for the radio and the serial number for the navigation. Once I was able to get those, I called up Acura, or you can go to this link that I had before, and they give you the code. So I was able to put that back in, get all that running. So prior to that, none of that stuff was working. Like zero, nothing. So, you know, this is the reason why I purchased this bike, man. Stay focused, get focused. Yeah, look at that, man. And besides everything else, I mean, it seems to run good. Goes into each gear, drives. There's no power steering whatsoever. Oh my gosh. And you guys know I work out, man. This joint right here is crazy. So, got this working. I always love the way that Acura did their dash, man. Shit. Get me in trouble. Get me demonetized. Look at this shit. Look at this. Car needs a thorough cleaning, man. Oh, there we go. Gaslight's moving now. Thank God. So yeah, that's the project. So here's the first thing I want to address. Power steering. You heard before in the previous
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's see if we can add that in and go from there. Steve, what can we say? Let's see if I can get this in good shot.
How scary was that while y'all were waiting, huh? How scary was it? I know y'all, some of y'all was like, yeah, I'm fucking out of it. Which I still am. But, we getting somewhere. It's filling up. Let's see if it actually fills up and if it stays filled. That's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna find out if it has a leak and how big the leak is. You can see when it sets up. We're gonna leave it there, we're gonna go in there, we're gonna turn the steering wheel a little bit and see what happens. Oh yeah, we got gas. Turn the steering wheel. Yeah, still tough. But again, it was parked up for a few years, so everything underneath is probably freaking rusted. Ooh, this is tough. Get a few turns here. Then we're gonna go outside. We're gonna check the liquid again and see where it's at. From in here, it don't feel no damn different, boy. Let's see. But as you can see, guys, no dash light, man. You can tell. The car was maintained by me when I had it. Air in the system. Probably gonna try going on a test drive up the street for me. Still seems to be full. Everything is quiet. Anything I can say? Take it on a test drive. All right, let's start the daily for the daily. For the daily. Honda section right here. Honda section. Good old reliable, man. Jump in this thing. Started, no issues. We start and go. And if you guys don't realize this about me, I drive nothing but stick shift, guys. Don't ever ask me, is this stick? Or whatever. I would rarely ever buy a car if it's not stick shift. Always remember that. That's just me. That's just me. But quiet down a lot. My guess is that the power steering is shot, but take it up the street and see. Also, there's no parking brakes on this thing, man. Look at this. I don't know if I showed you guys this. Look at this shit. I ordered this already. So this is my parking brake right now. That and the and the reverse, keeping it in reverse lock. But yeah, let's take it up the street and see what happens. First test drive, this Acura. Drives like shit. Very floaty, tires are terrible. Got a lot of flat spots on there. But it's driving. That's the most I can say. Yeah. Pulled up on an op block, hit the opposition with the chopper.